विगत 15 वर्षदेखि क्वालिटी एजुकेसनमा समर्पित ग्रेस इन्टरनेसनलले लिएर आएको छ अस्ट्रेलियन एजुकेसन फेयर 2022। अब्रोड एजुकेसनका लागि ग्रेस इन्टरनेसनलको अस्ट्रेलियन एजुकेसन फेयर 2022 नै किन त?
Hi, I'm Sabin Karki, Regional Manager of Educations for Nepal and Bhutan market. I will request dear students to visit the fair conducted by Grace International, happening from 31st of August to the 4th of September. As a regional manager from Op Educations, I do have products for Australia and New Zealand. The best product for the Nepal market will be ICHM. ICHM is like International College of Hospitality Management. It really provides the courses for Bachelors of Hospitality Management and Masters of Hospitality Management in Australia. The best part of our course is like the Nepalese students will be eligible to get the scholarship from 10 to 15%. Basically or particularly in our Bachelors of Hospitality Management, the course duration is 3 years and divided into 6 semesters. So in the first semesters, the Nepalese students will study, and in the second semesters, they will go for the internship. Similarly, on the third semesters, again they will go for the study, and the fourth semesters they will go for the paid internship. Third semesters they will study, and the last semesters they will go for the paid internship. Altogether, the students are going for the internship of 1500 hours, and it's completely a paid internship. That means during the time of study period, the Nepalese students are also earning per hour $20 to $25. Similarly, another most popular program is Masters of Hospitality Management. We have 4 semesters. In the first semester, second semesters, and third semesters, the students have to study over there. And in the fourth semesters, they again have to go for the internship. The best part of ICHM is that the students are eligible to go for the branded hotels named as Hilton, Marriott, Hyatt Regency. So they are going to do the internship on those hotels. After the completion of their internship, they are going to secure a job in their relevant field. Now, I would like to highlight another information regarding our pathway options. We do, as Op being the pathway provider, we provide pathway programs like diploma and pre-masters program to our undergraduate and postgraduate students simultaneously. We do have a diploma and pre-masters program leading to one of the top universities within Australia. They are University of Tasmania, Charles Darwin University, and Swinburne University. So to get each and every precise information regarding fees structures, scholarships, intake, course options, and many more, please do visit the fair conducted by Grace Internationals, named as Grace International Education Fair 2022. There is a rumor going in the market saying that the visas are getting rejected due to the documents. And what I want to make assure dear students via this message is that you once visit the Grace Internationals. They are working in these fields since a long time, and they do have good expertise in how to make the financial documents and prepare the financial documents for the grant of visa. So without any daunting challenges, please visit Grace International Educations and go move ahead with your further process from offer to visa for your Australia visa applications. Thank you so much.
अस्ट्रेलियन एजुकेसन फेयर 2022 4 सेप्टेम्बर काठमाडौँमा सञ्चालन हुँदैछ। यस फेयरमा सहभागी भई अस्ट्रेलियाका 25 भन्दा बढी विश्वविद्यालयका प्रतिनिधिहरूसँग प्रत्यक्ष भेटेर अस्ट्रेलियामा उच्च शिक्षा लिने आफ्नो सपनालाई साकार गर्नुहोस्। फेयरमा रजिस्ट्रेसनका लागि हामीलाई 9849194949 मा मिस कल गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। अस्ट्रेलियन एजुकेसन फेयर 2022 अप्लाई ढुक्क भएर।
Grace International,
connecting life and learning.